Do you want to become an AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner and pass your exam first time? Then this Ultimate Exam Preparation course is for you. My name's Neil and I'll be your instructor for this course. I've been working in cloud computing since the very beginning. My passion is to share my knowledge and experience to help others achieve success in their careers. I've taught over 30,000 students online and helped thousands of students to comfortably pass their AWS certification exams with great scores. In this course, you'll learn everything you need to know to ace your exam. We start with the basics, so you don't need any background in cloud computing, and we then move on to cover the entire exam blueprint. The course is highly visual, with lots of diagrams to help illustrate the concepts, and there are lots of options to accommodate different learning styles. You can move quickly through the course using the theory lectures, or take more time and explore the many optional hands-on labs to gain more practical experience with AWS services. At the end of each section, use the exam-cram lesson for quick revision of the important facts, and take the quizzes to test your knowledge. This is the best and only course you need to comfortably pass your AWS exam and take your career to the next level. I look forward to seeing you in the course and hearing about your exam success. Enroll now and let's master the cloud together.